YouTube is working now.
Oh. So everything is up and running. YouTube's up. Zoom is up. Already. Was Keegan here earlier on? Should be all set to go.
Yo.
Oh, yo.
Hi. Welcome. Good morning.
Okay. Let's do.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are well. Welcome to a live London trading session. Today is the 6th of August 2024. And Bob's your uncle, Steve's your auntie, and Tracy might be your cousin. I hope everybody's good. Let's get it. Pop there. Okay, so just start off here very simple and casually. As we can see, we have some solid moves to the downside However, we are now pulling into these areas here of 2000 of 2023. As you guys know, we usually push up, find an area of supply and push up further, pull back into that areas and then make new highs, and that's been the trend. Yeah. However, this year 2024 we haven't really gotten that. I don't know if it's this year because it's only been 1 2 3 and then pushed, and we never came back here, so we kind of just trended up and created structure. However, now we have started to create structure to the downside, forming resistance and massive legs that is just wiping out all of these months worth of trading within a week or two. But now, very interestingly, is where we pull back into, right? Clearly, where we've had our supply area before of not this year, but last year. So, very interestingly, you can see the reaction that we got straight off of there. Is this gonna go and push up? I don't know. I don't think so, but I can't just think we're gonna get further downside until we clear this area. This has to first be cleared. So amazing moves all the way to the downside, but now comes the time of a bit more waiting. This is the time where you can argue buys and sells. On a lower time frame, you can see we've got the reaction off of the blue supply area that I've marked out, and now we are here. So looking currently at this morning, we can clearly see resistance areas after we've pushed that down. This area over here we have gone set up yesterday, pushed back and then broke it, right? Now you can clearly see this here, clearly support has been made, pushed up, high support has been formed, breaking these. So our structure currently waking up is to the upside. However, you look at this, you look where you've pulled into, and you're like, okay, well, here's the resistance, here is just our range now, and we are clearly not pushing up. So buys would make better sense, or would make more sense above here, trying to find some clear range that you can get, and sells probably somewhere below these areas. But as you can see here, we have pushed down and then just push back up again. So to be all about just scalping it this morning, looking at how it forms. These mornings where you can argue both buys and sells, as you can see here, this on the 15, you can go moves to the upside, support is formed, boom, support formed, engulfing candle, cool. Maybe try and play that up until here. That didn't quite work out, but a decent enough move to make some bank. So I think of this, we'll just have to wait and see for this morning how this goes. I'm gonna just mark this out here as support area, and I don't think any sells right now. Maybe below if you get some structure that could work out, but yeah, up until bullish structure is what we have this morning. Looking left anyway into these areas here is where I'd look to play. So I'll see this morning if buys are option. If not, then just a wait.
I got a nice quick sell, scalp sell earlier.
Ah, nice. From where?
Yeah.
What time frame?
So go on to the 15. So that area, this area over here is a daily. If you look on the daily to the left, it's an area that daily candle could have pulled back to.
Hmm.
So I just marked it up. I think it was maybe it was just below there. It was somewhere here. And then basically saw that we closed bearish, but it was all the way down here, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I could do fake out to then carry on down, but it closed back. It didn't close below. So waited, and then this closed with a very weak on TradingView. It was like a doji candle, um, almost like support, and then this candle went up here, tapped back into this area, almost like a double top, closed bearish, and then I didn't want to put my stops above here, so I had my stops just above here, just above the support area, and then traded down to there.
Nice. So is this your trade candle?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
yeah.
You still have positions running?
Nah, I the I'm still struggling with this platform, but
Yeah.
if I knew how it works, I actually would have kept maybe a little bit in, like 10% just to like this area down here. Um, this area here
Yeah.
before all of this down there.
Really nice. For Souls, I would like if anything, it'd have to be on the hourly candle
Yeah,
for me. Like
because
the
quite
hourly,
bullish.
yeah, the hourly would need to do a one time.
Yeah. Yo, I can't, bro. I can't trade this 1 to 50 leverage thing. I'm trying to find I'm trying to find another broker because that's crazy.
Yeah, I saw this morning that there's platforms that like can't access it now.
Mm.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I found this one broker that has their own platform that one of the guys here that's been trading for a while and he's pretty good. He's pretty solid. He's not like a show off kind of guy. He trades this and you could trade gold on here. So I might look at it and it's got nice leverage on it, so I might swap to it.
Mm, nice.
But I actually think I'm liking GJ. Even just like this is the first day going back to it
Yeah,
after just staying on gold. It's way easier to read
yeah,
when
100%.
it's trending. It's way easier.
But there's its times when it's not amazing,
Yeah,
but it'll make up for it. Like now.
yeah, yeah,
You know, like you could have
yeah,
if this year the year wasn't amazing on GJ, right? But let me just go. Wow, different. The year wasn't amazing. You got a lot of moves upside, range moves, like long waits and so forth, and then you got this massive leg. But you can see how long it takes, So the price
yeah,
action, it's not maybe amazing in the morning if you wanna get in and get out. But then you look at now this, just now, July. So from what is this, 11 July? So with in a month you get this, like
mm,
that that makes up for it, bro.
yeah.
You know?
Um, go on to the 15 minute because I'm so used to the pips and stuff on gold that I'm getting confused now. Is when you measure your, like, let's say you want to measure the range,
Mm-hmm.
is 38, is that 30, or let's say it says 40 pips.
If
Is
I
that
go like
40
this,
pips or
you
is it
see that
more? Yeah,
50.5, that's 50 pips.
that's okay. Yeah.
It's like, look at this. Like, do you understand? Like, these ranges are massive. That's why I say it's worth it. Like,
Yeah.
even like if you were trading from there to here, that's 70 pips
It's
with
70. Yeah.
within 30 minutes.
With- Yeah. My stops were 20 pips, so it was, yeah. I was just confused because normally it's not that, the volume's not that big. So I was like, am I tripping with this?
Yeah, exactly. It's not usually that big. So you can get like a week's worth of trading within like, I don't know, like if you're scalping
Yeah.
and you scalping 10, 15, 20 pips,
Oh yeah.
you could get your week's profit with just within
Yeah.
freaking a 15-minute candle. If you get the right 15
Yeah.
minute candle. Great stuff, great stuff, great stuff. 2400. 2400. Wish I could listen to normal music while streaming.
Yeah, you can't.
OZ.
Yeah.
Ah, quiet, eh?
Yeah.
You okay there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay,
So
perfect.
looking at yeah.
Let's see what we get. This our candle. So it's about to close in a minute. What I am looking at now is with this close, do we push down to here and then start to move up from there? That's what I'd like to see. As you can see, we're not even breaking these rows. But from an hourly perspective, with this and this forming lower, but it's not the greatest because you can see these wicks. It's not quite amazing, but I do think that this will play out somewhere into here. Break these lows maybe, and then do that. Do it. You can do it. Put your back into it. So the playing of that is 33 pips. in a minute.
Mm.
Actually, you could just fucking scalp the shit out of the stuff, but you have to
Yeah.
be up it. You're
Yeah.
gonna have to be up it. There's no playing around. Like if you see this, like you do it and then you're done. Can't be trying to flip your scalp into a swing.
Yeah.
But like I said, just going off to push down, brakes are slow. I'm not sure if we will get here, but somewhere in here to then push back to the upside. What's beloved gold doing? Oh, ain't nothing much, eh? Ain't nothing but a dollar.
Nothing much. You know what I've never understood? So
Science.
why does
Apologies, brother.
why what why does the leverage even matter? Because if I'm risking my whole account, that's up to my choice, right? So why does leverage matter?
Leverage is, but you could lower your leverage and risk your own account. No problem like that. But a leverage, when you get leverage, right? When you increase your leverage, that's money that you don't have.
But like let's say,
That's like a
because like
loan from the broker. Like you're making a loan by the
uh,
broker. You understand? So
yeah,
if you only have like $200 and your leverage is like 1 to 250 or whatever the case might be, you can only maybe take a 0.1,
mm,
right? But now you increase that leverage to 1 to 1,000. Now they're like, okay, you can trade a full half a lot or a standard lot, but your your account balance is still the same. So your money didn't change, but your leverage changed. Where does that money come from? That's there in brackets, hyphen. What would you call this if I do this with my damn fingers?
I know what you're doing. I know
Yeah,
what you're doing.
I'm doing it with my
Yeah,
right hand. Okay, doing it
yeah.
with both hands now. That is technically in these bracket fingers their money.
Mm,
You know, you don't have that, so that's why it's gonna matter, and that's
Yeah.
why they can do as they please with the leverage and change it and so forth. Because essentially, again, with the fingers, they
yeah.
letting you risk their money.
Mm.
So, yeah. If your leverage is low, though, that's good because you just using your own money. You can't come here with the nonsense of whatever.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what
Yeah.
my leverage changed to yesterday, dude. Or what happened because I couldn't even enter my initial position.
But it's been doing that to you, huh? Hasn't it?
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
my nothing changed. I traded the same lots that I've been trading.
Yeah.
Then yeah, my account is bigger.
C- Yeah. Because
Between
you even said it last year when I was watching the past streams last year, September. You said the same thing,
Yeah.
so it's weird.
Maybe they don't want to give me money. I don't believe in the broker not wanting to give me money. But maybe, who knows? Because yeah, the amounts that I've been trading last month and this month, in past 2 months, it's increased, and my lot yesterday was lower than I've traded before. But I didn't get filled. But I think it's just with the volume and everything
Yeah.
that they would change it. So they probably want you to put in more money.
Hmm.
It's gold looking now. How low? 2010s to the 24. Wouldn't be the greatest of options. Because usually it's gonna be a wait. You see this now, no? Like, remember when we spoke and you said like some people, like I could say like, okay, this is gonna push down to you at some point and reject and whatever, right? I was like, how do you know that? Well, everything here I can do and analyze, right? But these like actions of it, that's like comes from looking at the same thing every day and just like knowing and seeing like, okay, here's a setup. In theory, this is a setup, right?
Yeah.
In theory, that's a setup. So here's your engulfing candle, right? Your lower resistance, so you know you can play that. There's 30 pips for you. Boom. You can make bank on that. But that's my setup. In terms of how price is looking with this move up, pulling back, doing this, this is the experience side of things where I'm like, I've seen this one too many times where it will do that and then that. That is something that I can't explain, but that's also something that we won't ever trade. Like I can't be like, oh, sell and then buy because that is dumb because I cannot explain that. And when it comes to like stuff like that, like things that you can't explain, not just me, like anybody, if they can't explain it, you can't fucking trade it. You don't trade it. I don't trade this. I can get this right every day, few times a day, but I can't explain it. So that's
And trade it.
yeah, you can't trade it like that, dude. Long term, it's horrific, you know. Now, what do you guys see on this? You have everything on right now.
Yeah.
Let me do this. You wanna have a go, Ozzy?
What do you say?
I say, what do you see so far?
Sports is holding currently. So
Can you draw it?
yeah. Can find my
That's
okay.
Annotate.
I've seen it.
Ah, there we go.
So support.
Mm-hmm.
So this support is holding currently.
Mm-hmm.
So if this closes, if the next 15 minutes closes, I might want to play to get to this pledge. That's what I'm saying.
Nice one. I like what you said here. Currently, this is holding. Yes. So we got this. Upside move. Boom. Pullbacks. Yeah. Support. It's been established. Still holding. Worth a shot. Well done, dude.
So my support could be below this support.
This is your support, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the support. What are you doing there? Is it drawing eyes here?
I think it's going to get rangy a bit before it moves any further.
I want to see some decent candles because the thing is, getting into position like these at times like this is a 37 pip stop. You know?
Yeah.
So you want to see like decent move, like a candle like this. That looks nice.
Yeah. Sorry.
Is royalty free music gonna start getting stuck in my head, my bro? I know I actually like this song. Here we go. So this option is just a 12 pip key level. I'm watching this now on the one. So I want to see how this plays out. Because in theory, like this is, I should be able to get 20 pips out of it at least. But that's closing like this.
It's a tricky one.
Yeah.
My nose. It's like just so. Golden playing the fool bear. What is this? Printing next to each other, yeah.
Bird isn't moving nice this morning.
Nah, it looks like ass, bro. On the 15. Looks kinda nice, but I mean, it's no weeks, yeah, no weeks there. Maybe this one can just, who knows? I don't know. I do feel gold spirit to trade on a 30.
I'm gonna be back now.
No problemo. We interrupt this program.
I will be back in a moment, guys.
No problem. I think we're all just waiting. fun at all. What you got, GJ? Go, GJ. Moving now. Damn, move.
What is this big
What?
drop from?
Right.
Mm.
But I think that's a combination of the pound and of the yen.
Mm.
fuck that. I'm thinking, okay, you're gonna go close below.
Yeah.
Nah, fuck that. Now one thing is clear. We can clearly see that it does not want to do this right now.
Yo, flip
One
bullish.
minute to go. Yeah, that's. I was looking forward to do that now, but just a bit too quick.
Yeah.
Ah man, it's a bit too quick. This thing moving too fast for us this morning. Oh, too fast for me. It's quicker.
This thing's gonna move up. One shot.
Shut up.
Bang.
I think I've missed it, bruh.
Yeah.
Oh man. That was it now. That was the entry.
Yeah.
For the
I
flip.
would. Yeah. Yeah, I would have taken some partials now.
Yeah, in and out. I mean, even you're on a 30. I want to see that.
Yeah, still making a bullish structure.
Should be like the main range, but currently this is the range. But it's enough of a range. That's the thing. So you have to be-
Yeah, I mean, you don't even need it to move far to make some pips.
Yeah, but you can see this 186 is. One more push. One more push. One more push. I'm gonna now so. I have to get the YouTube also. Like up and running proper. Yes, yes. You. You know, actually, in the meantime, I'm gonna people be stressing about it. Trillions been wiped out. Looks so bad to me.
I went to see my stocks to like see how much it like dropped by much, probably like 5%. But I mean 5% in one day, so
Yeah.
that's the 5% of some big money. Hmm.
$76 a barrel. It's all gonna go now. Finally have some wicks. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Come on, do something.
If I kept partials, I would have still been in this trade.
Yeah, no. Could have been good. But do you have it on lock now? You know what to do.
What do you mean?
Like on the platform.
Yeah, but this trading view platform, I was using it because I was using Oanda, broker.
Yeah.
Now I'm swapping brokers because leverage on that is so bad. So I think the broker I'm going to use, they have their own platform. So I'm going to have to spend a day on demo just testing it out again. It
Yeah.
doesn't change much because I use TradingView to look at my trades and I just enter on that. So as long as I know how to click sell or buy and then TP stop loss, I'll be good.
You know what the fuck is up with my sinus? My days. And again. Here we go again. Can GJ do it this time? You know, I feel like I need to take an allergics or something for fucking hell.